Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to change your password on Fedex account. So let's go ahead and dive into the video since the process is quite easy. First of all, open your web browser and go to the URL box and type in fedex.com and search. Make sure to sign into your fedex.com account on a web browser. And once you're logged into your account, go to the upper right corner of the screen and click on your name. In the pop-up, click on My Profile. On the left-hand side corner of the screen, click on Login and Security, and right where you can see Login Information, click on the Edit button. Now go to Password section and enter your current password for your account in the first text box. Right where it says New Password, you will now need to enter the new password you'd like to set for your account. Confirm the new password by retyping it again on the next field, and finally click Save Changes in order to change your password for Fedex. So that is how you will be able to change your login password on Fedex. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.